Okay, so I'm getting ready to make some of the 90-second bread, and these are the ingredients that you're going to have. You're going to use 3 tablespoons of almond flour, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, and I just have the regular baking powder, and then 1 egg, and you're going to mix it in a mug. And then you're going to take this mug and pop it in the microwave for 90 seconds. So I'm going to mix this together, and then I'm going to show you what I come up with. As you can see, I've added my almond flour, 3 tablespoons of almond flour. I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of baking powder. And then I'm going to add 1 egg. I'm going to mix this and put it in the microwave. Mix this up. Okay, so I have mixed the almond flour, the baking powder, and the egg, and I'm getting ready to pop this in the microwave for 90 seconds. And after it's done, I'm going to take it out and show you what I've come up with. Okay, as you can see, this is ready, and I'm just going to take a knife, go around the edges here. Here's your bread. You can brown that on top more in the oven if you like. I'm just gonna slice it here. Let me see, I'm gonna slice it just a moment.
Will never forgive him.
And here we go. Here's the sandwich, you guys.
She writes, quote,
enjoy your
"The
bread.
whole birther thing was